This hidden phrase means make a move. Almost every man misses it. Most guys think if a woman wanted them to make a move, she'd just say it. They imagine something obvious, an unmistakable flirt, a loaded glance, maybe even her leaning in and saying, "Kiss me." That's not how it works. When a woman is interested, she rarely risks putting it all on the table. She wants to send the signal without saying it outright. Instead, she slips it into casual conversation, a throwaway line that sounds perfectly innocent unless you know what to listen for. And here's the kicker: most men don't. Women are experts at sending plausibly deniable signals. If you don't pick up on it, she can laugh it off as nothing. If you do pick up on it, you've just been handed a green light, her way of saying, "I'm ready if you are," without spelling it out. These hidden phrases are easy to miss if you're distracted or taking her words at face value. But once you recognize them, you'll realize she's not just chatting. She's giving you permission to close the gap. Here are 8 phrases women use that secretly mean make a move, and how to catch them in the moment. 1. We should hang out. Just us. This is one of the cleanest signals you'll ever get. She's cutting the group dynamic and creating a private frame for the two of you. That just us changes everything. It moves the interaction from casual to potentially intimate. She might say it after a group outing, letting the idea drop casually but with intention, like she's planting a seed she wants you to water. Sometimes she'll add it with a smile that lingers a little too long or tilt her head, as if she's already picturing it. It might even come as a "we never hang out alone" remark, framed like an observation, but really a suggestion. If she quickly tries to choose a specific spot, her favourite quiet wine bar, a hidden rooftop, or even her place, she's not just making plans. She's creating an environment where closeness can happen naturally. 2. I trust you. Men overlook this one all the time because it sounds like a generic compliment. But when a woman says it to a man she's attracted to, it's loaded. Trust is the foundation for any physical closeness. Without it, she won't let the moment move forward. This might come after you've done something simple like keeping a secret, offering genuine advice, or walking her through an uncomfortable situation. The delivery is everything. A pause before she speaks, steady eye contact, maybe even a hand resting on your arm. That touch is the bridge between emotional trust and physical comfort. When she says she trusts you, she's signalling you've cleared one of her biggest filters. At that point, any attraction she feels is no longer blocked by doubt. 3. I feel safe with you. This goes deeper than I trust you. Safety is the single biggest psychological barrier between her and physical intimacy. If she feels unsafe, she'll keep the interaction friendly, no matter how much attraction she feels. When she tells you she feels safe, she's telling you the last wall is gone. It might come after you walk her to her car, stand close in a crowd to shield her from strangers, or calmly take charge in a situation where she was uneasy. You'll often see her body language shift right after she says it. She might lean in, relax her shoulders, or keep her body close to yours even after the moment passes. That closeness isn't an accident. It's her saying she's comfortable letting the physical gap close. 4. You should come over. Men often miss this because they expect it to be delivered with obvious sexual tone. In reality, it's usually casual, almost throwaway. She might say, "I made way too much pasta. You should come over." Or, "I've got a bottle of wine I can't finish by myself." The excuses don't matter. What matters is she's inviting you into her personal space, a space she controls. This is where she can set the lighting, the music, the mood, and remove the social barriers that exist in public. If she follows it with something like, "We can just hang out," she's not downplaying her interest. She's making it easier for you to accept without overthinking it. That's her way of smoothing the path toward more intimacy. 5. I can't believe I'm telling you this. This is all about vulnerability. She's about to share something she doesn't tell most people, and she's framing it as surprising even to herself. It might be playful, like, I used to have the biggest crush on my neighbour. Or more personal, like, I still get nervous before first dates. Either way, she's opening a door into a more private side of herself. Vulnerability is one of the fastest ways attraction turns into intimacy because it creates a sense of us instead of me and you. When she's attracted to you, this is often paired with softer body language. Maybe she leans in slightly, her voice lowers, or her gaze flickers between your eyes and your mouth. Those micro cues are her subconscious telling you she's letting you in. 6. I wish you were here right now. This plants a very specific image in your mind. You, with her, in the same place, at this exact moment. That's intentional. If she texts this late at night, especially after a playful or flirty conversation, she's not just saying she misses you, she's imagining you there. In person, she might say it when you're about to leave, her tone softer and her expression lingering just a beat too long. This phrase doesn't just express longing, it creates a shared mental picture that pulls you into her space even before you get there. That's a powerful psychological move, and women rarely use it unless they're feeling a strong pull towards you. 7. You're different from other guys. If you hear this from a woman who's attracted to you, pay attention. It's her way of letting you know you've stood out from the rest. You've passed her filters. She might follow it with specifics like, you actually listen, or you make me feel comfortable. Sometimes she says it slowly, as if realizing it while speaking. And after she says it, there's often a pause, almost like she's waiting to see if you understand the weight of the compliment. This isn't just about being nice. It's about her mentally separating you from the category of men she keeps at arm's length. Once you're out of that category, physical closeness becomes a very real possibility. 8. I can't look at you right now, said with a laugh or a shy smile. This is one of the most direct signals you'll get without it being explicit. It usually happens after a moment of strong eye contact, playful teasing, or light physical contact. She's not actually avoiding you when she says this. She's acknowledging the tension between you and making it part of the conversation. When she says she can't look at you, she often doesn't step away. Instead, she stays right there, close enough for the tension to build. That's her way of giving you the green light without spelling it out. When you start listening for these lines, you'll realize it's not just the words, it's the delivery. The pause before she says it, the slight smile afterward, the way her voice changes, or her eyes lock onto yours. That's where the real meaning lives. Most men miss these moments because they're distracted, overthinking, or waiting for something obvious. But women rarely give you something obvious, they give you an opening. And when you hear one of these lines, she's not asking you to wait. She's telling you, in the safest way she can, now's the time.